Many beginners assume that once their products reach an Amazon FBA warehouse, those products will automatically start selling. Now here is something beginners often misunderstand. The reality is very different. Amazon is an extremely competitive marketplace. When customers search for a product on Amazon, the platform does not randomly show listings. Amazon's search algorithm ranks products based on several important factors. These include sales velocity, product reviews, listing optimization, conversion rate, pricing competitiveness, and advertising performance. Because experienced sellers already understand how this system works, their products often rank higher in search results. Now, this does not mean Amazon blocks new sellers. New listings can absolutely rank and perform well if they are priced competitively, optimized properly, and supported with advertising. However, new listings usually need some time to gain traction and build sales history. This is very important to understand if you are new to Amazon. Another thing to understand is how customer behavior works on Amazon. Most customers rarely go beyond the first page of search results. In fact, many industry studies estimate that roughly 70 to 80% of clicks happen on the first page. This means the listings appearing near the top of the search results usually receive the majority of sales. Experienced sellers also understand seasonal demand patterns. They know which products sell quickly during certain times of the year and which products tend to move more slowly. This type of knowledge usually comes from years of real selling experience on the platform.